In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix table in OneNote. First, click inside the table. This action is essential because it tells OneNote that you want to edit that specific table. When you click inside, you will see the Table tab appear at the top of the screen. This tab contains various options for modifying your table. It's a straightforward step, but it helps ensure that the following actions are applied directly to the table you are working on. Remember, if you click elsewhere, the options may not be available when you need them. Once that is done, click the Table tab that appears. This tab is your gateway to controlling all aspects of your table. You will notice a range of options designed for table manipulation. These include inserting or deleting rows and columns, changing cell sizes, and more. By accessing the Table tab, you are positioning yourself to make the necessary adjustments that will enhance the functionality of your table. It's a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Next up, use Insert Rows or Insert Columns to add missing cells. This option is particularly useful if your table is lacking information or needs more space for data. You will see buttons for both inserting rows and columns in the Table tab. By selecting either of these options, you can expand your table to better fit your needs. Adding rows or columns allows for greater organization and presentation of your information. It's a simple yet effective way to make your table more comprehensive. After that, use Delete Rows or Delete Columns to remove unwanted cells. This step is just as important as adding cells. It allows you to streamline your table by getting rid of any extraneous information. To delete, simply select the row or column you want to remove, then click the appropriate button in the Table tab. This action helps maintain clarity and focus in your table, ensuring that only relevant information is displayed. A clean table can significantly improve readability and usability, so don't skip this step. Now drag the column borders to resize them. This is an essential aspect of table management. Resizing columns helps to accommodate your data better and makes your table visually appealing. Hover your cursor over the border of a column until it changes to a double-sided arrow. Then click and drag to adjust the size. This adjustment ensures that all data is visible without unnecessary space. A well-sized table can enhance the overall presentation of your content, making it easier for your audience to read. If the table is too wide, drag the borders inward to make it smaller. This action is important because a table that is too wide can disrupt the layout of your document. By dragging the borders inward, you can create a more compact design. This not only keeps your document looking tidy, but also makes it easier for readers to navigate through the information presented. A neatly arranged table can contribute significantly to a professional appearance in your notes. With that ready, review your table to ensure all adjustments meet your needs. This final check is crucial in ensuring that your table serves its intended purpose. Take a moment to look over the rows, columns, and overall layout. Confirm that everything is organized and easy to read. This simple practice can save you time and prevent confusion later on. In summary, fixing your table in OneNote can greatly enhance the functionality and appearance of your notes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your table is well structured and user-friendly. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.